Zil striking again. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know you have to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's share this word out about this trading capabilities that we have to develop. This game is winnable. So I truly understand that we are living in a very complicated moment right now, but we should be struggling to fight this market, to fight for it, because it's a very interesting way for you to make yourself a good income, to make yourself your living. So trust me, the tips that I share with you here can make you rich, and more than that, can make you free, right? So I'll share here my screen with you, and I'd like to show you some interesting setups that we have this morning. We have, for instance, this interesting entry that I have, and I still on this trade, and I'll share with you a screenshot from my trade that I will prove you that I know this trade. It was a Euro USD trade, right? So it's very straightforward to understand that we should be looking for trades like this. So we have this beautiful, almost beautiful triple cross around here. Okay, we have the ADX pointing up around here, so we could place our trade around here. Okay, of course this trade happened early in the morning. If you pay attention, we are here have this 3 a.m. 3:15. okay, I took this trade on Friday. Okay, I took this trade around here, at this point here, ADX here, and around here, right? If you pay attention, it was Friday, late Friday, yesterday. Okay, sorry, not Friday, Sunday. I'm sorry, Sunday, and it was a very interesting entry, right? So eventually the trade developed themselves, and we have this. Okay, so that's an entry that we can take with strong confidence that things will work out, because the system works as a beauty on a daily basis trend, and that's what we have on this pinkish background in here, right? This pinkish background shows us that we're making a trade with the trend, which is the first lesson that you learn in all the manuals. The beautiful here is that this can show you very clearly where the trend is going. Look, very clearly you can see that here. Okay, another two trends that I took and I sent to the signals group that we have was USD Chief. Early this morning, we are making this video at July 11th, and it was an excellent trade as well, a trade by the books. And what I did have is just the same setup. Okay, the setup was around here, almost a triple cross, ADX slightly pointing up, and then eventually look what price have done, right? A beautiful entry, beautiful entry. It reaches 40 pips around here, and we hit our take profit. The other trade was the USD JPY, a beautiful trade as well. We took around here, right? ADX pointing up around here. We could have entered on this candle here. Again, a very interesting move from here to here. Okay, so what we have is three trades with the same strategy. So you don't have to look to anything else. You just have to look for trade setups like this. A triple cross, or a very similar triple cross, where we have the first step right? When we have the moving average splitting from each other, an ADX pointing up or starting to point up, and we have to look at the ADX background like this. It was again another trending trade. Why, Rafa? Because we have this green background, which shows us that on the higher time frames we have a buy trend, a uptrend. So that's the steps we have to follow, and I think that's an excellent trade, and there is room for more. But if reaches our take profit, we accomplish our weekly or our daily objective, we're done. We don't have to be greedy and keep trading, keep looking for other setups. No, we're done. That's what we have to do. That's what we have to do on the markets. We have to get our pips, reach our goal, and that's it. We don't have to do anything else. So that's why you have to keep your mindset strong. You have to keep your psychological behavior in your control. You have to be the first one to guide yourself, guide your thoughts, and guide your actions. Okay? So you don't have to be greedy. You don't have to be look for setups every moment. No, you look for setups when markets have more volume regarding that pair. So when you reach that level of take profit, stop trading. You don't have to do anything else. It's your mind which controls your action. So you must control your emotions. That's my daily routine. That's what I have to do. I sent 2 signals to our group, but I have 3 trades rolling. And that's my perspective. I don't risk more than 2%, 1 to 2%, and I only send 2 signals at the same time to our signal group. I was looking for trades, I was looking for setups, and I sent to our members. What I want to say is, you don't need more than that. Who took that signals made over 100 pips. That's more than necessary for a week. If I could, I would don't reach the charts again for the week, because I have already accomplished my weekly goal. But Rafa, the system gives you much more. Okay, but I don't need that. You have to collect the pips that you came to the market to collect. If the market gives you more, okay. But don't be that trader which is just chasing trades, because you're gonna lose some pips out there. So don't do that. Look for your objective, your weekly objective, dividing on the days, dividing by the days. Okay? So if your weekly goal it's just like mine, like 100 pips only, I just have to make 20 pips every single day. If I don't feel like I don't have enough good entries on Monday, okay, I'll come back on Tuesday. What's gonna be my objective? 25 pips, 25 on Wednesday, 25 on Friday. My weekly goal is still 100 pips. Don't be that guy that's every moment on the market, because you're absolutely gonna lose. Don't over trading. What's the secret to do not overtrade? It's to produce a plan and follow that plan, a weekly plan. It doesn't have to be any old plan or even monthly plan. Start slow. Start with a weekly plan, a modest weekly plan, and don't feel yourself bad if you let some pips here and there. You have to collect that pips, that amount of pips that you were in the market for. So if you plan to collect 100 pips and you collect that 100 pips in just one day, call off the week. You're done. Congratulations. That's a beautiful feeling. Okay guys, that was my message for you in this beginning of the week. I am just trying to show you that I have already accomplished my weekly plan, and I'm not gonna trade for myself anymore. I'm still trading for my members on the group, still sending signals, still sending interest opportunities, still sending mindset goals. But for my personal trading routine, I'm done. And you should have the same plan for yourself. It's going to give you freedom. It's going to give you tranquility to go to the markets again next week. Okay? That's it. If you're not part of our group, there's a link on the description area where you can see exactly the indicators that we use, and you can be a member of our group. And if you make yourself your membership, you have a one-on-one trading session with me. Okay? Thank you very much, guys. I hope you have a beautiful week. My week is still beautiful, and today is only Monday. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.